Have a look at some short division, and sometimes the best way to understand short division is to see an example being done because there are a few steps to it. So I'm going to bring your attention to a few different things. First of all, this part here is called the bus stop. I'm going to call that the bus stop. Basically, it looks like a bus stop. That's why we call it the bus stop. This number over here is known as the divisor. That's the number that I'm dividing into the larger number, the divisor. And this larger number here, the 234, that number is the dividend. Okay, so probably some good words to remember, some math specific vocabulary to remember. So let's go ahead and get stuck into doing this example. Right, so we start off with 3. We check, is 3 divisible into 2? Can you divide 3 into 2? No, you can't. So now I'm going to look at the 23. I'm going to bring the next number in. Can you divide 3 into 23? So yes, you can. You can count up to 3 in 3s to 23 7 times. That will bring you to 21. So the difference between 23 and 21, the remainder is 2. I bring that little 2 over to the next number, and that number now becomes 24. Can you divide 3 into 24? Yes, you can. Exactly 8 times. 3 times 8 is 24. So the number 234 is divisible by 3. I've used short division. Okay, that was easy. Now I'm going to try with a slightly larger number. Let's see what happens. So this time, let's choose a number. Let's divide 9. I'm going to put my bus stop, and I'm going to make a slightly larger number, 4,085. Let's see if the 9 is divisible into that number. So I'll flip the colors this time. Does 9 divide into 4? No, it doesn't. Now I think about 40. I bring the 2 numbers in. Does 9 divide into 40? Yes. Well, I know that 9 fours is 36. So it divides in 4 times, and the remainder, 40 take away 36, my remainder is 4. So I bring that 4 over to the next number, and that now becomes a 48. Does 9 divide into 48? Well, 9 fives is 45. So I'm going to work out my remainder is 3. So it goes 5 times, remainder 3, and I bring that 3 over to the next number. Now I'm going to divide 9 into 35. Does 9 divide into 35? Well, 9, 18, 27, 36. Actually, it just divides in 3 times to bring me to 27. So if I find out my remainder, 35 take away 27, the remainder is 8. Now my remainder I write as a numerator over the divisor. So my answer here is 453 and 8 over 9. So therefore, 9 is, or not 9, I should rename that. I'm going to put my dividend first. I'm going to actually say, I'm going to say, what was it, 4,085 is not divisible by 9. Okay, so there's some of the steps we have to short division. I hope that video helps you. Here's some of the steps in word form if you want to think about it that way. So you can read, you can pause the screen, have a look at those words and those language and see if that makes sense.